I'm not really like a Depop kind of gal. Tracy Big, are you kidding me? I don't know how to feel. Hello everybody, it's me, Amy, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be doing something a bit different. Never done anything like this before. There is something on my lens. Oh, that's just my f***ing ugly face. This video is going to be basically just me testing out a Depop style bundle. Long story short, a lovely girl reached out to me over on my Depop, which I'll leave here. She has her own little like vintage account going on. All of that, she got all of that going on. She was so lovely, and she messaged me basically asking if she could gift me a £70 style bundle. I was so gassed because I've never ever tried out one of these before. I'm not really like a Depop kind of gal. I think I bought one thing from Depop and it was literally like a black cosmic crop top. It was a good buy though, I love it, I wear it all the time. But that is not the point. I tried to go thrift shopping, you know, like down Brick Lane and stuff in Shoreditch. I just never seem to find anything that I like, which is pretty... Hey, you're just gonna stay?
Yeah. Which is
so annoying because some people go thrift shopping and they have the nicest style, they have the nicest clothes, and I'm just like, can I be you? Please, can I be you? Sure. Lundy, I really hope I'm saying your name right. She has low-key been like my personal stylist today. Everything is in this box right here. I actually forgot it was coming and I seen this box and I was like, what is this? So I did have to open it, but I haven't opened anything inside it just yet. Definitely go check out her Depop if you're interested in any of this, by the way. She sent over like a Google form thing that she had made up, and it basically had like a load of questions about my personal style, what I sort of wanted out of this. I basically described like a Y2K/90s type of vibe because I love that style, but I just don't think it is my style. So I wanted to try something a little bit different. I am so excited to see what is in here. I'm gassed. She sent over a little disclaimer just basically saying everything is vintage, so it's not going to be in perfect condition, which obviously you can't expect. It's vintage, you know? It's used, it's not straight out of the packaging, but we love that. I have been waiting about a week to... Oh my god, the stickers on anyone's clock. I opened it up and then I clocked this is the parcel. I want all my reactions and stuff to the clothing to be real. Without further ado, we're going to get started and check out what's in here because I cannot wait any longer. This is what we'd be looking at. So here I can see this thing that says personal style file, but it says open last, so we're not gonna open it yet. We're gonna open it last. We've got another little note on here. Oh, that's so cute. It says thank you, and then over here it says you are one stylish girly pop. Inside the envelope is just like her little card, so that is what her Depop is called, her little brand. For some reason it doesn't want to focus. I want some big nostrils. Take note, people, if you want to get yourself a style bundle like me. I can already see how much effort she puts into these. I can see something that is unwrapped, so I'm going to go with that first. These are some socks. These are Playboy socks. You know the Playboy, like, misguided collections? I've always wanted to, like, get stuff from there because most of the stuff is cute, but it's Playboy in it. So I asked my mum one time if I could get the joggers, like, with all the Playboy logo all over them. She said no. So Maggie, I'm sorry. I freaking love these. These are so cute. We've got 3 different pairs: pink and black, blue and black, and grey and black. Sis, we gonna look pretty cute in these. The next thing we are gonna go for is we're gonna go for this little Prezi. She's wrapped these up so cute. I love this little like gift wrap. I actually wrapped up my friend's birthday present in this. I love how much effort she's put in. Look at this. She's put little beads on it and everything. 10 out of 10 for attention to detail.
The beads.
You want them?
Yeah.
You can have them when I open it. Take this off. It feels like Christmas! I feel so awkward when I'm opening things in front of people, but here we are. Ooh, okay, we got a little bit of the denim moment going on in here. Oh, I think this is like a whole outfit. I think it is. We have got this little I Heart NY t-shirt. It's super oversized, which is really cute. I've been seeing these everywhere. I feel like they're really trending at the moment, especially on like TikTok. So I definitely need to get an Instagram picture in this. Do you know how badly I want to go to New York though? This just makes me want to go even more. And then we have, oh my god, this is so freaking cute. Stop it. This is a little denim, is this a mini skirt? I don't really know. This is a little denim skirt and look at the pockets. Stop that! Stop playing with me! Those pockets are the freaking cutest things ever. Recently, I've seen so many pieces of denim with like the little love heart pockets and I've been obsessed, and now I have my own. This is so cute, and inside it's got the little adjustable waist. I remember I used to have those in all of my jeans when I was little, and now like why does nothing have it anymore? But this does, but like nothing else. The first outfit is on and it's actually really cute. This skirt, first of all, the first thing I noticed, it is so soft. Like it's such a soft, comfortable denim. It is super movable and everything like that, if you know what I'm saying. The t-shirt is really cute as well. It's super oversized, like I said before. It's not something that I'd usually go for, but I've literally seen so many people in these tops recently. My favorite thing though is literally the pockets on the back of this skirt. How freaking cute are they?
They're love hearts.
This skirt in the summer is literally gonna be perfect. I never really pair like oversized shirts with little like denim skirts or any skirts really. I tend to just put like an oversized shirt with a pair of baggy jeans, to be fair, but this is actually kind of a look, not gonna lie. It's a vibe. On to the next little parcel. I literally just accidentally ripped it open a bit, so we got something blue in there. Once again, we've got some more beads. I like how she sort of like switched up the wrapping. First of all, we have this little, ooh, this is different from this. This is a pink satin dress. It's got some like blue lacy sort of detailing, I guess, down it. Satin dresses are something I see everywhere, but I've just never really tried one out for myself. I've never been super interested in them, but I'm so excited to see how this looks. It's actually got quite a cute back on it. I don't know if you can tell, but there's like a little hole in the back. This is a Fred Perry zip up hoodie. I don't know if you can really see that very well. It's actually super, super soft. I love the color. I literally love blue. I like that there's blue in both of these items, kind of brings it all in. The hoodie is super, super cute. It is so, so cozy and comfy and just soft. It's Fred Perry, which is a vibe. I feel like zip up hoodies, it just remind me of the 2000s so, so much, just because when I was little, I'd always be wearing one. The dress, now, I don't know how I feel about it. Let me know what you guys think. I just think it don't really suit me that much. This is what it looks like. I feel like if it was a little bit tight, I know they're not really supposed to be tight though, but if it was a bit tighter, then it would suit me better, like, and hug my body shape. Right now, I don't really know if it's very flattering or not. I do feel like it kind of comes in here at the waist, which is quite nice. I'm really unsure on it right now. I feel like it just gives me nightgown vibes. I do love the back though. That is really, really pretty. Do let me know what you guys think of it though, because maybe I'm just overacting. Maybe it's just because I've never seen myself in anything like it before. I'm just not used to this look. We got a bit of green going on. What's this? Oh my god, wait. This is a green Ralph Lauren little crop top. It's got the little Ralph horse embroidered on it there in purple. And then what's this? We have got another t-shirt. This is a black graphic Mickey Mouse Gangsta Vibes t-shirt. I'm excited to style this because I literally have nothing like it at all. This top I'm not too sure on. I feel like somebody else might be able to style this properly and make it look really cute, but on me, I don't know. Maybe if the neckline wasn't so low and if it was a little bit tighter, I feel like then it would look kind of cute. But as of right now, I can't imagine myself wearing this out, I'm not gonna lie. But it is the only thing so far that I wouldn't wear out. I feel like I'm so used to wearing like lighter and brighter colors nowadays. However, I do love the graphic on this top. Like, I love this so much. It's so sick. And I literally have nothing like this at all in my wardrobe. So it is a pretty good addition. Let me know what you guys think I could style this with, how to make it look even cuter than it is. I just threw it on with the little skirt that she chose me. This is what it's looking like inside the box now. We've got one more little parcel, and then we've also got two little things down here which are unwrapped. So first of all, we have this bag. This is just a little furry bag. Once again, super, super trendy at the moment. I haven't got into this trend yet, but I'm excited to try this out and see if I can pair it with some outfits, give it a different look. In here, we've got a load of different stuff going on. Let's open it up real quick.
I love that thing.
Do you? Oh, this is so cute. Nancy's gonna love this. So we've got some stickers in here. Oh my god, stop it. Tracy Big, are you kidding me? Look at Nancy trying to take it all already from me. Tracy Beaker was actually my entire childhood. You guys do not know my obsession with this show when I was little. I would still watch this now. Do you know what? I'm gonna go binge watch all of the freaking episodes. I used to collect all of the Jacqueline Wilson magazines and the books and everything. So I made my own little magazine holder with loads of stickers of Tracy Beaker on there, and it was kind of fun. We've also got some more stickers. These are like, I think these are My Little Pony stickers.
Yeah, they are.
We've also got this sticker. It's just like a little dog.
I actually don't know. Is that a dog or a cat? I'm sorry, let's play message games.
We've got some hair accessories, which are so cute. I love the little hair slides. Look at the hair and they're glittery. I'm really not good with hair at all, so I really need to up my game and make my hair look cute with these. The last thing in that little bag was this little pink bag. Inside here, this is a little flower bracelet. How cute is that? We've also got this little butterfly necklace. This is what it looks like. That is so, so sweet. I'm kind of sad that that finished.
One more.
What? Now, this is the last little parcel we have, so I'm guessing it's the last bit of clothes. Last but not least, we're gonna open this up. I'm kind of sad it's coming to an end. Right, in here we have got another bit of denim in here. These are sick. These are DKNY jeans. These are actually pretty good condition, to be fair. They're just bootcut jeans, which at the moment I'm kind of preferring anyways. I really hope these fit well. I'm kind of gassed. Inside it says Times Square jean, and I'm kind of sad because I really want to go to New York. Why are you hinting at me? I think this is a sign. I need to go to New York. To pair with those jeans, I've got this little Tommy Hilfiger t-shirt. This is sick. It's got the little Tommy branding up there and also a tiny little flag thing on the back. This is what it looks like. It's light blue once again. I literally love this color. I'm actually obsessed with this. I think this could be one of my favorite things of the entire haul. I've got this outfit on and I don't know how to feel. I love the pieces, but like, this is the Tommy Hilfiger top. I literally love it. The fit is actually really, really nice. Because I'm so used to wearing crop stuff, I'm not like used to this length, but I do actually really, really like it. These are a low to mid rise, I think, which I am not used to wearing. I'm not gonna lie to you, but I actually think they're pretty sick. I don't know if they suit me though. They definitely suit other people. They look so, so good and flattering on other people. You know what? It's kind of fun to try something new. I don't know if you can see, but the pockets are actually really, really nice on the back, like the detailing and everything. I don't have jeans that are this much of a dark wash, so that's kind of fun as well. I'm actually so gassed with like pretty much everything. Even the stuff that I wouldn't usually pick out myself, I'm so happy that she has picked them out for me. Just because I can go out my comfort zone a bit, see if I actually like the stuff on me, see if it suits me, and then who knows, I could switch up my entire style. I'm so grateful for all of this. Like, thank you so much. I can't believe she gifted this all to me. Like, please go and check her out if you haven't already. And if you want your own little style bundle like I got, definitely reach out to her because she literally got the Y2K and 90s vibes spot on. Lundy, I appreciate it so, so much. I'm gonna leave her Depop, her Instagram and stuff down below, so make sure you go check her out because she's honestly amazing. By the way, she didn't ask me to make this video. She didn't ask me to do an Instagram post or anything like that. She literally was, out of the kindness of her own heart, gifting this stuff to me because she's just nice like that. I am so happy. I've never tried out like Depop and thrifted stuff before, and here I am loving it all. Literally every single piece. That does bring us to the end of today's video. I really, really hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a bit different for me, but I had so much fun filming this. All of my socials are linked down below as always, so go check them out. And I will see you guys very, very soon with a brand new video. Peace. I'm gassed.